Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons with Philip. Now today we want to continue with angles in triangles. Okay? Now we have a question on the board that we need to solve together. Now this is a simple question, but here I will introduce another theorem of angles in triangle. Theorem 2. Theorem 2. Theorem 2 of angles in triangle says the exterior the exterior angles of a triangle equals the sum of opposite interior angles. The exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of opposite interior angles of that same triangle. Assuming we have a triangle, assuming we have this triangle like this. The interior angles, we have only three interior angles in this triangle. If any line is extended, so this angle here is an exterior angle of that triangle. So the angles that are oppositing this angle, if you add them together, these are the two angles that are opposite this angle, which is outside. So if this is x and this is y, if you add these two together, it will be equivalent to this. Okay? So that is the law. If I extend this line and I have this angle to be half. So this angle that is here and this angle, if I add them together, if this is z, these two angles, if I add them together, it will give me this exterior angle of that same triangle. Okay? Now, let's look at this question we are given and use this theorem. Okay? Now, in our previous video, I explained different theorems of angles in a plane geometry. Okay? Now, this triangle will be applying some laws or some theorems. Okay? Now, which one can I find first? I can find R first. If you check this diagram, check this line. Check this line. This is my R. This is my N. We have something like this. This is my O. This is my P. Okay? This, I'm asked to find R, why this place is 125. In my previous video, we have explained something like this. This is angles in a straight line or on a straight line. So if I add these two together, it will give me 180 degree. Automatically, my R plus my 125 degree will be equals to 180 degree. Why? Sum of angles on a straight line. Okay? On a straight line. So my R equals to 180 degree minus 125 degree. If I bring 125 to this side, it becomes minus. So my R equals to 55 degree. Simple. So I have gotten my R. But if you check this diagram again, from our previous videos, again, I'm referring back to my previous videos so that you can understand all these theorems which we have discussed earlier. If you check this diagram, we have been told that our line MN, this means parallel. My line MN, which is this line, they said is parallel to line OP, which is this line. So this line and this line, we're told, is parallel. If you check this diagram, you can see something like Z. Okay, let's go. You have this, you have this, you have this. Okay, what is removed from this diagram is this. Okay, so this is something like Z. So this angle and this angle will be equivalent. From our previous video, we said this is an alternate angles. So an alternate angles will be equal. Okay, that is why angle is very simple. So this is my M, this is my N, this is O, this is P. We're told that these two lines are parallel. This is my angle R and this is my angle Y. So my R is equivalent to Y. Automatically say R is equivalent to Y, which is the same thing as what we have gotten, 55 degrees. What is the reason? Alternate. You tell us that it is alternate angles are equal. Okay, simple. I've gotten this. Next, it's my X. I'm also find X. From this policy or this theorem, we have been told, if you check my X is equivalent to this 65 that I have here plus my Y, which is 55 degrees, plus my Y. Why? Because exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the opposite interior angles. Okay, somebody said I should explain that fully. Check, let me draw it out. Check this. We have something like this. We have M, we have N, this place is O, no, this place is Q, this place is R, and this is my X, this is my Y, this is my 65 degree. This is an exterior angle of this triangle MNQ. So this exterior angle will be equivalent to the sum of these two opposite interior angles of that triangle. So if I add these two angles together, it will be equivalent to this. Okay? Okay? So now, what is my Y? So my X will now be equivalent to 65 degrees plus my Y that I've gotten, which is 55 degrees. Okay? So my X is equivalent to, if you add this together, it will give us 1. If you add 65 plus 55, it will give us 120 degrees. Okay, so that is my X. I've gotten my Y, I've gotten my R. Okay, so we are not asked to find any other thing other than the lettered angles, which is my X, Y, and R. In your final answer, you can say your X equals to 120 degrees, your Y equals to 55 degrees, and which one is the last one? R equals to 55 degrees. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.